So today I'm going to demonstrate a cauliflower dish that I've tried in Israel. It's a famous dish made by an Israeli chef called Eyal Shani. And there are many videos out there with recipes for this dish, but today I'm going to make it my own. So I'm going to start with a full head of cauliflower, and I'm going to prepare it to go into the oven. So I'll start with washing it and cleaning all the darker spots that are on the surface. I need to cut it in a way that it can sit still. So I'm going to leave as many leaves as I can, but I'm going to cut the bottom so it can sit still. So I'm trying to remove the least possible cauliflower base that I can. So I think this is good enough. And the first step is boiling the cauliflower in salty water. And there are different ideas about how to boil it, whether to boil it head down or head up, and in order to for the flowers not to fully open. So what I'm going to do today is going to boil it head up, and I'm going to cover it about halfway with water, so some of the flowers are going to be steamed, but the base is going to be boiled. So next step is we're going to prepare the pot with water. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of salt. Some of the problems that we come across when we bake a full head of cauliflower is that all of the flavors are staying on the outside of the head, and inside it's not salty enough, not flavorful enough. So it's important to boil it in salty water so it absorbs some of the salt and there's flavor inside the cauliflower. So I'm going to place the cauliflower in the pot, and I'm going to do it head up and put it on the cooktop on high heat. Okay, now we're going to check whether the cauliflower is ready. It's been about 15 minutes. I started with the max temperature, and then I reduced the heat just to keep the water boiling. I'm just trying it with a fork, and yeah, it's pretty soft. So no doubt that the bottom part is fully cooked because it sits in water. Okay, I'm going to take the cauliflower out so it doesn't continue to cook. And as you can see, the flowers are still closed. I'm going to set it aside to cool down, and then we'll let it cool down, and then we'll prepare it to enter the oven. Okay, so we've cooked the cauliflower for about 15 minutes, and we took it out, and it is now cooled down a little bit, so we are going to prepare it for to go into the oven. So what I would like to start is with the parchment paper. What we can do with it is just prepare it to hold the cauliflower so it doesn't move. So this is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to use a lot of olive oil. Just massage it into the flowers of the florets. Okay, we're going to sprinkle some some salt on it. That's it, it's ready. I'm going to place it on the parchment paper, just like this. And it's going into the oven at the maximum temperature. My oven is only going up to 450 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to place it into the oven at 450 and for about 20 minutes. But I'll have to check to see how golden brown it gets. And so when it is golden brown, it's ready to be taken out. Okay? That's it for now. Okay, so it's time to take the cauliflower out of the oven. It's been about 20 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. And yeah. So this is what it looks like when it's ready. You see it's all brown. And smells really good. See that it's very soft, but it looks whole, so the flowers, the florets didn't actually open up. So that's what it's supposed to be looking like. And yeah, I'm sure it's great. I'll plate it and take a nice shot to share with you guys. Perfect. Okay, so this is it. It turned out beautifully. So this is a great idea for an easy dish to prepare when you host people. It presents very nicely, so it can be served as an appetizer with some snacks and dips on the side, or it can be a healthy side dish for any other main dish as meat or veggies. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and visit me again. So take care and enjoy.